For lack of proper bearings, I just finished milling this up out of some hardwood. I had some little bit of walnut left over. The idea is that the 1/4 inch round bar will fit in either one of these holes, and then there and there is a screw hole. That's an oil port. And then I have just a thin kerf from a hacksaw blade cut over as far as the hole that will allow me to control the tension around the bar just by how tight that screw is. And between the oil and the fact that it's not really that much surface area and the fact that this is hardwood, I expect that things will work out okay. It's time to cut some pins. I suspect I may have a small problem and not quite enough rod. Oh, here's a little bit in the old router table I made way back when. Okay, looks like it's going to cut smoothly now. Yes, I could do this on the table saw, but this gives me a smaller kerf, more control, less goes in the air. There's all kinds of really good reasons to use hand tools for something like this. And then there's the pain in the neck that happens sometimes when they don't want to cooperate.
This is about the point where I started engaging in some stupid human tricks. There is a knot. I was just able to get into that bar, and by walking the hacksaw back and forth as the drill is spinning, fine, it just about comes off like that. Leaves a pretty cruddy edge, but I'll clean it up with a file.
Behold. And that's plenty enough to give that a nice smooth finish, at least good enough anyway. Alright, I have the uppers for the 2 parallelograms strung up, pinned up I should say. Oh, by the way, if you've been watching this far, thank you. Thank you so much.
Here I'm working out a layout for where I'm going to put the pins for my parallelogram linkages. I'm using a razor knife to make sure, with the aid of that square right there, that everything comes out just so.
Exact dimensions are subject to your judgment.
I've pulled out a sizable nail right there. I'm basically using it to pre-position some divots so that when I go to drill corresponding holes on the drill press, the bit won't walk around. Hopefully I've learned my lesson. With that done, I'm giving the holes a quick punch with the small bit. That little hole seems to be guiding the brad point bit just perfectly. Time to get everything put back together.
Works better if you plug the right thing in that you expect to be able to use.